years ko, medyo may mga talo. Pero when I learned portfolio planning, mas madali. At the message that I want to build is planning and learning. Invest in learning. Kasi hindi masasayang oras mo. Diba? You can start with Forex, but you will not end in Forex talaga. The reason why it's easy for me to invest kasi yun yung ginawa ko over the years. I've been investing for the past 15 to 17 years from stock market to Forex, crypto. Few years ko medyo may mga talo. Pero when I learn portfolio planning, mas madali. Yung mga dividends na pumapasok sa akin, alam ko where to allocate it kasi pinaplano ko siya. So ayan, yung may pumapasok dyan ng mga dividends, cash cow yan guys. 30k, 40k monthly. Kasi binild ko siya. Tapos yung timing mo ba ng bili, ang ganda dahil makukuha ang share. I'll just show you some to really inspire you guys that the message that I want to build is planning and learning. Invest in learning kasi hindi masasayang oras mo. Kung nanonood ka ngayon at you're doing that, congratulations kung first time mo pa ginagawa. You can start with Forex but you will not end in Forex talaga. Because the more you learn means the more you earn. The more you're gonna serious about your goals and plans like this financial blueprint will really take you to success at hindi sayang oras mo. Darating yung time yung gusto mo na mga bagay na gusto mo. Dali mo na makukuha. Say, you know already where to put your money. Kakaroon ka ng tinatawag na delayed gratification. You know, when I was starting, sobrang tipid namin. Sobrang tipid ko. Hindi ako masyadong gumagastos. Kasi nakaplano na yung investment ko. I'm planning it out na eh. Monthly, ina-update ko siya. Sipag lang talaga. Being conscious sa investment. Para you are focused na, okay, high risk yan, hindi ko i-all. Kahit maganda yung returns yan, hindi ko i-all yan. Get what I mean? When the time comes na magkamali ka, then dun yung problema.